In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Podia. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring not just your password, but also a second form of verification, typically via a mobile app or a text message. This ensures that even if someone else gets a hold of your password, they wouldn't be able to access your account without that second factor. Let's dive into the setup process. First, you want to begin by heading over to your Podia dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage your account settings and all your online courses, membership sites, or digital downloads. Once you're there, look over to the left side of your screen. You should see a sidebar with several options. From this sidebar, you need to click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the adjustments you can make to your account. After clicking on Settings, you'll be redirected to a new page. Here, you want to focus on finding the section labeled Security Verification. This is where you can manage how your account is protected. Click on this section to proceed. Now, within the Security Verification section, look for an option related to two-factor authentication. There should be a checkbox available for you to enable this feature. By clicking this checkbox, you're opting into using 2FA for your account. It's a simple click, but it makes a big difference in securing your account. Once you've checked the box for 2FA, the next step is to save these changes. Look for the Save button on the same page and click it to ensure your new security settings are applied. This final step is crucial because it confirms that the two-factor authentication is now active for your account. And that's it! You've successfully set up 2FA for your Podia account. Remember, the next time you log in, you'll need access to your chosen second verification method, whether that's an app on your phone or another form of authentication. This additional step might take a few extra seconds, but it's well worth the peace of mind knowing your account is more secure. Thank you for watching, and make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about. Stay safe online.